Has your eyesight gotten worse since you started wearing glasses? Each time you go to the optician, you have a stronger prescription? If this is a familiar story, stay tuned. I'll show you one tip that I used to stop my eyesight getting worse. Hi, my name is Peter. I used to have -2 diopter myopia, but today I've got 20/20 vision and I don't use any glasses, contacts or laser eye surgery. So how do you stop your eyesight getting worse? Well, first of all, we need to understand a little bit about the biology of the eye. In order to do that, check out this video where I describe how the eyeball works and how your eyesight gets worse. How do we stop our eyesight getting worse? Well, first we need to understand that the full prescription glasses that we get prescribed are for helping you to see clearly into the distance. However, they're too strong for doing close-up work. And wearing too strong glasses of close-up work will make your vision worse. So we need a second set of glasses for close-up work. So what type of close-up work am I talking about? I'm talking about if you're working on your computer, reading a book, maybe just moseying about the house. These type of things, with a weaker prescription, you can do these things completely fine. So this close-up set of glasses, you just need them to be strong enough that you can see. So just doing this one thing will stop your eyesight getting worse. Can we make our eyesight better? This is up to you. This is your own decision. Everybody has to make their own decisions in life, and I took time to research and decided it was possible given the mountains of evidence that are out there on the internet of people improving their vision. And I improved my vision whilst doing close-up work. We can do this by introducing a blur challenge to our glasses and also using active focus. These two combined will make your vision better. I talk about active focus in this video. So, See Clearly membership. Today I've launched a See Clearly membership for $19.99 per month. It is my hope that this will open up natural vision improvement to more people. It's also a nice way for you to try out the course and see if it is for you. Until next time, take care of your eyes and see you in the next video.